Yo, what is up guys? Welcome to Jack is Off to another adventure. So I'm currently here in Stockton, and what is Stockton known for? Some high crime rates. But I'm not here looking for trouble though, I'm actually here looking for a Chinatown. But so far we've been to San Francisco and Oakland's Chinatown, where it's like a huge Chinese community, still very active. We've also drove through Salinas' Chinatown, where we saw old remnants of Chinatown, but it is now a homeless heaven. Then we have San Jose, where there used to be a huge Chinatown, but due to arson and redevelopment plans, it's completely gone. So, what kind of Chinatown awaits us here in Stockton? If you want to find out, then join me as Jack off to Stockton's Chinatown. Let's go! Alright, so back there we just saw a sign that said Little Manila Historic Site. And remember in the very beginning, it was the Chinese, Japanese, and Filipinos on the same team. Original Team Asia. So that means we're probably very close to Chinatown. And behold, our first Chinatown attraction right here. You got the Chinese school, you got the Confucius Church, you got the Multicultural Service Center, the Chinese Association, and all in one building. Check this place out. And you can tell, look at the jade colors and the decoration. And look at those leather doors. It's closed right now, but wow. So at some point in history, Stockton's Chinatown was actually the third largest Chinatown in all of California. That's why it was called Fow, or Third Town, behind San Francisco's Dai Fow, or Big Boy Town, and Sacramento's Yee Fow, or Second Town. So Stockton's Chinatown was very important because it was the gateway to the southern gold mines like Sonora and Camp Washington, which became Chinese Camp. So this Chinatown used to be very active, and just look here. There used to be a lot of buildings all over here with Chinese businesses like wash houses, restaurants, you name it. But in the 70s, the city of Stockton decided to build this highway right here in the heart of Chinatown. So that forced a lot of people to assimilate with the locals faster, and a lot of people moved out of Chinatown a lot earlier than they want to. So aside from this building right here, there should still be more remnants of an old Chinatown around the corner, so let's go check it out. And check this place out. You got the Pingyun here too. Oh no, that's not the Pingyun. This is the Guanying. I believe this is also like a apartment complex too. And you know it's for Asian people when you have these lions right here with the Success Asian perm. I don't know why they want to perm a lion's hair, but there you have it. Successful Asian lions right here. Let's go down this way right here. So on that side you see Unlock Sam, fine Chinese food. Got some graffiti right here, but I think we see some old remnants of Chinatown. You see that? The Wong Family Benevolent Association. So I'm pretty sure this used to be Chinatown right here too. On the other side you have the Ma family. And here we have the Stockton Sui Sing Association right here. How's it going, man? Right here, Chamber of Labor and Commerce. What used to be a prominent Chinatown is now Cosmo's Hotel right here. Actually, I read the review for Hotel Cosmo. It's not a good hotel, so don't ever go there. All right, so I've mentioned before that this freeway was built in the heart of Chinatown. So what it did was it split it in half. So we have this part of Chinatown, but we also have another part across the bridge. So let's go check it out. All right, so now we're at the other side of the freeway. We found the official entrance of Stockton's Chinatown right here with the gate. Over here that says Zhonghua, which means pretty much Chinese. And then check out this artwork right here, this dragon with the blue sky. And they also got a Leads Association right there. But anyways, back to this dragon. This is massive. It's not just paint, it's stones right here. Wow, so it's permanent. And then you also have these traditional Chinatown lampposts. Very similar ones we have in San Francisco and Oakland too. And I'm guessing this is like a apartment for elder Chinese folks. Also a lot of Chinese buildings right here. It's very quiet and very empty. They even have a drinking fountain right here with feng, which is wind. Not sure what wind has to do. They should put like soy or something. Feng, oh never mind, feng fa yu. So wind, flower, moon. And actually here's something over here. What is it? What the hell is this place? Oh, it's a church. Oh, it's Sunday, that's why. It's a very active church right here. Wow. It's nice to see, like, it's not just Chinese people in there. I saw some African American folks in there too, so wow. It's a very communal community, I guess. And over here we have the So Yun Tong, another Tong building. But this one looks a lot more traditional, I guess. Very fancy looking, except for the lamppost. Why the hell is it like right smack in the middle though? And then I've actually never seen the blue roofing tile. Wow. This is something new for me. And then right smack in Chinatown, we have Mexican American food, El Dorado restaurant. Where the Chinese food at? And here we have another dragon. So we got twin dragons, double dragon. Wow, but this one doesn't have that blue sky though, but still, it is still like rocky mosaic right here. Wow. What's up, homie? Are you excited to visit Chinatown too? Uh-huh. We got a Chinatown dog here. All right, let's go explore Chinatown, dog. Let's go. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, today I am joined by two fellow closet Chinatown enthusiasts and a little dog, little Chinatown enthusiast dog right here. So we're gonna be checking out Chinatown all together. So we got a little cute little sushi place here. So we got that Japanese-Chinese connection. And then check this out, we got Chinese signs right here. So this is Market Street, and this is Dorado Street. Ah, there we go, Dorado Street, Toledo. There's actually more stuff coming this way. We got broken in windows with a bunch of letters out here. Someone's not paying their rent. And then we have all these Chinese like style roofings and stuff, and Lucky Money. For some reason, okay, so Chinese people are really superstitious, so they want everything to be lucky. So you got Lucky Money, Lucky Tours, and Travel. Air tickets to Manila, never mind, this is Filipino, I guess. And then you have Maria's Cafe with a presumably Chinese door, but it's open though, so wow. And here's another Chinese building with another alley right here. And some gentlemen right there. And to top it all off, you have Filipino Chinese cuisine. So like I said, the Chinese, Japanese, and Filipino, they were on the same team. And this has got to be a building right here. Longgang Chanyi Gongsa. I could have made it a lot easier. You can just beat it right here. The Longgang Chanyi Association. And then here's the front of the Lee's Association right here. Wow, this is very like Chinese New Year, like eat well, sleep well, have fun. This is good wisdom. But check this out, wow. Hello， 你好。你好，你好。你好，你好，你好。唔係喺度，即係睇下，即係因為係之前係咪唐人埠嚟㗎？係啊。哦，而家仲好，有冇好多唐人喺度啊？喺度好多唐人啦。哦。我哋唐人以前咧橋底嗰度都係主要咧係嗰度拆，以前真正嘅唐人埠咧就喺橋底嗰度。哦。跟住之後搬嚟呢度啊。我頭先見到有個孔子廟喺對面嗰度，咁而家全部啲華人搬晒嚟呢度係嘛？誒，點啊？而家都好散啊！即係上以前係集中喺啲附近，而家喺就係Stockton嘅東南西北都有。都有哦。即係而家喺上邊喺99嗰邊啊，或者喺I5嗰邊啊，有華人喺度嗰度。Marsiling上邊啊，Hammerling嗰邊都有實好多㗎啦。哦。見到都好多華人。Alright, so before we leave the Chinatown area, there's one thing I want to show you guys. So over there, we have the City Hall. Right across, we have this Confucius Monument right here, donated by the Chinese community to the city of Stockton. So even though the Chinese people here in Stockton, they face a lot of discrimination and also a lot of obstacles, they were still nice enough to donate this to show that, you know, they were actually part of the city and thanking the city for letting them be here. So check this place out. Good old Confucius right here. So before I end this video, I just wanted to show you guys this Chinese cemetery. It's pretty important because back then, Chinese people in Stockton were not allowed to be buried in city cemeteries. So the Chinese community pretty much bought this land and made it a Chinese cemetery. Just look at all the tombstones. And some of the folks buried here, they actually died in the 1880s, some more recent. So just think about the range of life that they experienced. You know, some of them were on a boat that came from China. Some of them saw World War I, some saw World War II. Some saw the destruction of Chinatown, and life goes on. So I wonder what kind of experience I will have as an Asian American here in America. All right, guys, so that's it for this video. So we got to see Stockton's Chinatown today, and I would say it's pretty unique. It had parts of it that was kind of ghetto, but another part of it that was empty, but pretty clean though, right? So in case you were wondering, that's how Stockton's Chinatown looked like today. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Until my next video, Jack is off.